a better view. Seriously, I need a what's that? A camera stand or a what?
Weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
So this was the condition of my room. Not that bad, but still like a messed up place. And let's start with the mirror portion. And yeah, everything looks pretty bad right now. Look at the mess that I've created. It's so freaking messy. So I took everything down and started to clean. I actually cleaned my whole room, but I just felt like I should start filming a video. So from here I started filming the video. And here am I cleaning my mirror, which was very dirty. Look at me, I look like a clown. Time to organize. So I have 2 wooden trays and I am keeping my skincare, my daily skincare stuffs on one tray, and I will be keeping nail polish and stuffs like that like on the other tray. I have no idea. Initially I thought that there will be less products on this table, but then I have a lot of things, so it's like skincare stuffs and all. So yeah, I think that's it. And then here am I doing multitasking, taking care of my skin and also taking care of my room. I look like a freak, but then I'm taking off the pictures right now. They're so dirty, so freaking dirty. Look at my bed. Let me show you my new prints. I have Ariana Grande here. I have friends. I have a lot of friends. Prince, Chandler looks so damn handsome. Then we have Alexa Damie, so pretty, obsessed with her. Then I also have Jenny. Okay, as if she's my friend. We have Joey. We have Monica. We have the trio. We have Kendall Jenner. And here am I arranging the pictures, which took me literally 2 hours. I have 40 pictures and literally took me 2 hours. It's just like so difficult to do. My phone memory was almost full because of this footage. It was very long, but I obviously made a time lapse, and you will see a footage of like only a minute or like 50 seconds. 2 hours converted to like 50 seconds.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh yes, of course.
And this is how my wall looks like. Pretty cute, huh? However, my bed looks like a disaster, so let's fix it. I cleaned the sheet and now I am like adding a white clean sheet on the top of that and some pillows, and I think that's it. To wash my face, that portion of the room is done. I'm talking like this because I am so tired. Literally putting pictures on the wall can be so like tiring. There are like 40 pictures on this wall and it might look really like easy, but it's not. I want to sleep and I'm hungry, but let me show you the wall. My dad there got me some fruits. I'm so hungry.
I'll never catch him while I'm this small. Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh yes, of course.
I started working at like cleaning at like in the morning, and then I started doing this wall at like 2, and now it's literally okay. It's like I was done at like 4:30. It's 5 now. Literally so much of time just to put up pictures. There are like 30 to 40 pictures on the wall, and I was thinking about ordering like 500 pictures. Wow, 500 pictures can cover up the whole room. This is how turned out. I was thinking of adding a LED light or fairy light to like the mirror, around the mirror, or like bulb lights, or even like fake plants. I don't know what I'll do, but this is how much I did today, and I think it looks pretty cute. What do you say? Enjoy the video, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Do it, subscribe. Now I'll just go and sleep because I'm super tired, or I just want to drink a cup of tea so bad. Anyways, that's it. That's it, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Oh, yes, of course it.
Hmm?